Today I'll walk you through how to fix the Cloudflare server not working issue, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot and resolve this problem so you can get your website up and running smoothly. First, let's start by accessing your Cloudflare dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Cloudflare website. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which is your control center for managing your domains. Now, on the left sidebar, click on the option labeled Domains. This section lists all the domains associated with your Cloudflare account. It's like a directory for your online properties. Next, click on Overview. This will give you a summary of the selected domain's performance and settings. It's essential to have a clear view of your domain status before making any changes. Now, select the specific domain you want to troubleshoot. Click on it to dive deeper into its settings. Think of this as opening the hood of your car to check the engine. Once you're in the domain settings, open the DNS section. This is where you can manage your domain's DNS records, which are crucial for directing traffic to your website. Then, click on Records. Here you can see all the DNS records associated with your domain. If there are any misconfigurations, they could be causing the server issues. Next, navigate to the Caching section. Caching can sometimes cause problems if outdated files are being served to users. Click on Configuration. This will allow you to manage how Cloudflare handles cache content. Now, click on Purge Everything. This option clears all cache files from Cloudflare servers. You may need to click Purge Everything once more to confirm your action. Don't worry if this takes a moment. It's a necessary step to ensure that your site serves the latest content. After purging the cache, it's a good idea to open your browsing history. This helps ensure that your local browser isn't serving outdated files either. Go to Delete Browsing Data. Here, you can clear your browser's cache and cookies, which can also contribute to the problem. Then, click on Delete Data. This will remove any old files stored in your browser, allowing you to access the most current version of your site. Finally, refresh your site. This is the moment of truth. Check if the issues have been resolved. If everything has gone smoothly, your website should now be functioning properly. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.